Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys or hopefully explain how to resolve if your MacBook screen is flickering. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be just to select the Apple icon and then restarting your device. And then that can resolve quite a number of common glitches. There might be an issue with some application running in the background. If you're still having a problem, you can attempt to reset the NVRAM or PRAM on your device. So basically, in order to do that, you just would shut down your MacBook and then turn it back on and immediately press and hold the following four keys. It'd be the Option, Command, P, and R key. Again, Option, Command, P, and R for about 20 seconds. And if you're on a Mac Silicon device or a new Mac, you do not have to actually manually reset it. The system automatically does it. But if you're on an Intel-based one, that's when you would do what I just explained. And then hopefully that would resolve the problem. There's always a chance you have an issue with the monitor itself, which could be a hardware-related problem. So that's beyond the scope of this tutorial, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.